Today I want to show you guys how to make the camera look like it's a DSLR camera. This is a Logitech C920 and you can see it looks autofocused. Guys, make sure you check me out on Twitch. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. This is for NVIDIA cards only, so if you have AMD, I am so sorry. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the NVIDIA driver site. Just Google NVIDIA driver. I'll put a link below. You're going to go to GeForce drivers. You're going to select the product type GeForce, the product series. You want the GeForce RTX 30 series. You can either do the 30 or the 90. I use the 80 or the 90. I use the 80. Then you start search. You're going to find the driver, the WHQL45671. Git download. And then you want to go down to supported products and make sure that your graphics card is supported by this driver. I have the 2070 Super. So if you come down here, we're going to find it right up here, 2070 Super. Perfect. We got it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. Then next you're going to get the NVIDIA broadcast app. Once you download this, you're probably going to also have to restart your computer to get this. But you need the driver in order to download this. Wait for it to download, clearly. Do 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 do. I already have it installed, so we're not gonna install it over it. You may have to restart your computer for it. And what you're going to do is open up NVIDIA Broadcast. Go over to camera. You're going to select your camera source. So for me, it's the C920. And then you're going to choose whatever filter you want. So we're using the background blur. You're just going to click the little gray little slider, turn it to green, and it's going to blur out the background. And you just go on the slider. You choose the strength of background blur. You can replace the background. My lighting situation is not the greatest, but it's a green screen replacement. You can remove it, which is also green replacement. Why is that such a hard word? Or the auto frame, which moves your webcam with their AI and follows your face. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. Do fancy stuff with that, but we're here for the blur to make it look like the DSLR. And to get this to work in OBS, it's pretty easy. You come over to your OBS, you go to your video capture device, you right click and you hit properties, and then you just change the device to camera, in parentheses, NVIDIA broadcast, hit OK. And now you have a camera, a webcam, that looks like you're using a professional DSLR camera. So guys, that is how you turn your webcam into a DSLR camera for free with NVIDIA cards only. Hope that helped. Drop that comment, like, subscribe, feed that YouTube algorithm so we can get this out to as many people as we can and help everyone get professional looking streams. See you guys in the next video.